I'm Jim, talking more about the Security Plus examination, looking at the wireless attacks that you have to be aware of when you're going to take the Security Plus exam. Again, talking about compare and contrast types of attacks, which is Domain 1 of the Security Plus exam. 1.2 types of attacks. This one is the Evil Twin attack. In the Evil Twin attack, a rogue access point has been put on the network with the intention of getting clients to associate with that access point. This is like a rogue access point, but generally this access point is not joined to your physical network. Normally it's joined to the attacker's network so that they can gather information and even perform man-in-the-middle attacks on your end user. The hacker or the attacker will configure the access point with the same information as your real or authorized access points on the network, sometimes even including those security settings if they have them. This is even more dangerous when we have open or non-encrypted networks. And obviously, as I said, this can be used for man-in-the-middle attacks where your end user's information is going through the attacker's access point where they have full ability to do what they want with those packets. So in this case, we see Alice. She's connected to the enterprise access point with the SSID of cool AP. That's our cool access point. And it has a encryption key of Tunican. If Hank the hacker can place an access point somewhere closer to Alice or with higher strength, higher signal strength than Alice, normally Alice will not associate with the weaker access point. Her computer will associate with access point with the stronger signal. And in this case, this is Hank's access point. And you see he set it up with the exact same SSID of cool AP. And in this case, even the same key as Tunican. It would be really hard for Alice to know that she was not connected to the actual network. In this case, when Alice sends her information, it goes across Hank's evil access point, and he's able to do what he wants with the traffic. He could route that traffic then onto the internet, or he could even route it back onto the authorized network at your organization. So definitely something you need to look out for. There are ways to protect against the Evil Twin attack. Like with rogue access points, audits are important. Manual evaluation of the network, using automated tools, including those that sit on your network, to look for unauthorized access points and for evil twins. Obviously, network security 8021X will be something that a evil twin attack will be hard to duplicate, and sometimes, in most cases, impossible. And also, when your users are using wireless, it's good to use encryption like SSH, SSL, or TLS, and obviously a VPN if that's possible. So I'm Jim with Cyber-Recon. That's another look at more you need to know about wireless for the Security Plus examination. As always, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified when new content comes out. And as always, be safe out there, and we will see you next time.